Hello, my name is Mark Clark. I'm the Utilities Director for the City of Bullhead City. Today I am going to talk to you about our 18-1 lift station rehabilitation and improvement project that we just recently completed over there on Highway 95 across from Community Park. The 18-1 lift station is one of the lift stations that we have that actually takes sewage that is gravity fed into the lift station and pumps it uphill to be gravity fed again. These are typically found in low spots where we can't continue to run the sewage all the way into our wastewater treatment plants. This particular lift station was part of a 3 lift station upgrade and improvement project. This lift station, unfortunately for us, was in worse condition than we had anticipated. The walls were crumbling. We lost half the material that built the structure of the lift station. Basically, they crumbled out when we got into the lift station. We had to take out the rebar. We had to build a new rebar mat. We had to redo the concrete. And then we put in a new material called Prettle. Prettle material, which is this material here, it is a composite material that is impervious to hydrogen sulfide gas. Hydrogen sulfide gas is what eats away at the walls and a lot of the material inside of the lift station. We have completely lined the inside of the lift station with this Prettle material, which will give us a 50 to 100 year lifespan. We will not have to go back and do any repairs or maintenance on this material for the next 50 to 100 years, which greatly reduces the amount of maintenance that will be required at this lift station. We also replaced all the pumps and motors, and we added a bar screen to this lift station because flushable wipes are not flushable. I cannot tell the public that enough. They cause a lot of damage to the wastewater system, and so we put in a bar screen to help us eliminate those flushable wipes from getting attached and completely destroying the motors that we have in our lift stations. We spend hundreds of thousands of dollars a year replacing and repairing pumps and motors in our lift stations and wastewater treatment plants because of these flushable wipes. Our 18-1 lift station serves a big portion of the northern half of Bullhead City. So the folks over in the Sunridge area, North Fork, Old Bullhead, as well as northern portions of Laughlin Ranch and Desert Foothills all flow into this plant. They come under the sewage flows under the runway of the airport through Old Bullhead to this lift station 18-1. From there, it is pumped up to our lift station 18-2 and ultimately pumped to our Section 18 wastewater treatment plant on the Bullhead Parkway. Yes, Bullhead City has taken on a lot of capital projects over the last 4 years since we created the utility department here in Bullhead City. We've spent tens of millions of dollars on water and wastewater infrastructure. We just completed the work on 3 of our major lift stations, our 3 largest lift stations in the city. We have now been fully rehabilitated, and we use the Prettle material in all 3 of those lift stations. They now will last us for 50 years or more, and will need the normal maintenance and replacement of pumps and consumables. But the walls, the structure, the main structure of these lift stations will last us for a generation. Also, our 18-1 lift stations, we've done a full rehab, but we just recently found out that our odor control unit has stopped functioning over there. The plan is to put in a completely new odor control unit at our Section 18 plant, which will take care of those nasty odors that people are smelling there at Community Park and the surrounding areas. The new unit should be installed sometime before June, and we look forward to getting that final component of the 18-1 lift station completed. In conclusion, I would just like to state that Bullhead City has worked very hard. We have a great staff that's working hard to improve the facilities that our public deserves. We've been making upgrades to the lift stations that we've just completed. We have 1 additional lift station that we will need to rehabilitate in the same manner as these last 3 over the next few years. We are making upgrades to our Section 10 wastewater treatment plant, as well as our Section 18 wastewater treatment plant. We will be doing a full analysis of our collection systems in the next couple of years, and we will be making improvements in our collection system as well. So in the next 5 to 10 years, we should have a great system for all of our public to be able to enjoy.